this time, I'm going to hand a copy of that complaint to Mr. Morgan. Mr. Morgan, you've been charged on murder of your daughter. It can't be overstated in this case in particular. The defendant threw his daughter from the bridge somewhere in the early evening hours, November 21st. He walked away from that without as much as a care. He went to a friend's house. He drank a bit and then got his way onto a train. He left Wall Township. He left Monmouth County. He went to Newark, moved south and west from there, ending several days later in San Diego, California, a few miles away from the Mexican border, clearly not ever intending to come back or to answer for what he had done. I don't think that you can have any more clear circumstance or evidence to suggest that a defendant is at risk to flee.
What I would simply remind the court is, despite how many times the prosecutors may say that he did these things, the client does have the presumption of innocence.
Absolutely.
That does attach to him, and this court should consider that. $10 million bail for a person who's qualified for the use of the public defender's office is excessive and way beyond bail guidelines, and I would ask for something more reasonable in light of his indigency as well as in light of his presumption of innocence.
Thank you. I'm going to conclude that it is manifestly appropriate for this bail to remain at $10 million, cash only, applying the law as I'm required to. Accordingly, I have no intention of adjusting this bail in any manner.
Being in the courtroom was very hard. It was very hard to see him. It was very hard to see his girlfriend upset the way she was, and everybody lost in this case. There's no winners in this, and we just all got to pray. I just can't wait to talk to him. I have to talk to him because I got to know the question everybody want to know: why? And that's the question where I've got to find out, why did he do that? Until I talk to him, I just got to clear my head and understand why he did that.